The Sovanta BTP CoE 12-week starter is a 12-week structured program for knowledge transfer, knowledge acceleration. It's a chance for the customer's BTP responsible and IT experts to work with Sovanta's experts, benefit from our expertise, and work through it's currently 43 topics and counting of the key topics that Sovanta thinks is important to run a BTP CoE. We start out with our roadmap workshop, where we help the customers self-assess their maturity and their priority on those 43 topics. After that, we go through our 12 weeks, and each week we cover one, sometimes two of the module topics. We have a strategy session, which is direct one-to-one engagement with one of our senior experts, and a review and decide one where we help either support decision-making or identify decisions for senior stakeholders to make. At the end of the starter, we do a starter handover, which is the culmination of the entire thing, and we end up handing off the documents we need for your CoE to be successful. The customer ends up getting the most out of their tech investment. They're building a foundation to do the right things in the right way. At the end of a successful CoE starter, the customer is set up ready to speed their transformation, they're ready to speed adoption, and they're ready to scale. It helps the customer get the most out of their technology investment. It ensures the customer is starting out with the foundations they need to do the right things in the right way. At the end of a successful starter, the customer is ready for transformation, the customer is ready to accelerate adoption, and the customer is poised really well to scale. So we've got sort of three flavors of modules. We've got strategic level modules. For example, we've got a strategy module, which helps the organization understand how to align their business vision and concept and goals with their BTP vision and concept and goals. How is the BTP going to support the overall business? Then we've got operational modules, which talk about things like how to run the platform, what the right structures are to put in place for governance. And then lastly, we've got some pretty technical modules, like the account model module, which goes over the right way to structure your global account to get the most out of what you're looking to do with the BTP, or things that dive into specific technical capabilities like DataSphere or SAC. Ultimately, we're making sure that you're using the BTP in the best possible way for you. Not every organization is the same. Some organizations are going to have different levels of maturity. You may be working off an older technology. This may be a completely new thing. At the end of the day, we're going to make sure that what you want to do with the BTP makes sense and is achievable and fits with your existing structure and technology and people. If there's gaps in experts or expertise, we'll help you identify them. We'll help you figure out how to fill them. We absolutely will make sure that your BTP is doing what you want it to do.